سڵاوی خواتان لەوێ لە ڤیدیۆیەکی نوێەوە و وەروە لە پارتی سێمی یاری دەوڵ ئەمەنگ ئاس گەڕێنەوە لاتان ئەم جار بزانین چی دەکەین و چی ناکەین زانین ئەم مانتە سیحراوی چی لێ دەکرێت
Well, that's not what I have here. I can look through it again and get back to you.
بۆمە بزانین ئەم هاوێنەیە سیحراویە.
Hey, Magic Mirror, I got a question. You know the rule. I don't have time for this shit.
Your impatience is callow. You're needlessly cruel, but have some respect for our history rules.
Mirror, mirror, if you're able, tell me all about this fable.
See? Was that so hard?
Yeah, I'm about 2 seconds away from kicking a hole in you.
There's no need for that. Fine. Of which fable do you wish to know?
Show me the woodsman. Where is he?
What you see is complete. The woodsman stumbles down a street.
No shit. Which street?
I'm sorry, Bigby. I can only show you what can be seen.
ئێشتا زیندووە.
Show me Snow White.
Not much of a request. She's in this very room.
Show me Buffkin. Hey, put down the bottle and get to work. Still looking! I don't know her name. Not yet, anyway.
Well, until you do, I can't help you.
Nobody right now.
Very well. Please return should you wish to ask about someone else. Or someone new.
Well, I'm sure we'll get it all cleared up. Okay. Thank you.
Great. What? I can't read any of this shit.
I can help.
Yeah, thanks.
We look out for each other.
Don't overdo it. Buffkin, translate.
An exquisite design from the good china of Toad Hall.
Mr. Toad?
He probably wrote this in himself.
Buffkin, translate.
An exquisite design from the good china of Toad Hall.
Mr. Toad?
He probably wrote this in himself.
This is the one. Where's this symbol from? Which family or story?
That's an odd one. Family name? Allerleirau? I'll go look it up.
Allerleirau. That means every kind of fur in German.
Donkey skin.
Yes. What does it say?
Donkey skin girl, also known as donkey skin, also known as ass skin, prefers to go by the name Faith. Poetic?
Buffkin, we don't need the commentary.
The story of Donkey Skin. There was once a great king with a beautiful queen. The queen grew ill and had her husband promise to only... After a long search, it became clear that the only woman in the land that could match her beauty was... his daughter, Faith. She had a magic cloak made from the skin of her father's prized donkey that would hide her beauty so she could escape his kingdom. Eventually, Eventually, she married a prince who could see past the magic cloak and knew her true beauty. And they lived happily ever after. Should I mark it, Miss Snow?
Yes. Please. And what's her husband's name?
Lawrence. Prince Lawrence.
We got what we came for.
Yeah,
Prince married to Prince Lawrence. I mean, that's more than we...
name was Faith.
Yeah.
We should talk to the husband.
You think he did it?
For this sort of thing?
It's usually the person who knew them best.
Or it's someone completely random. Any information on fables in our community will be somewhere in these books. We already know her name, but feel free to have a look if you like.
Beast. Colin and his brothers.
I think her name was Red. She didn't make it out. I bet Red Riding Hood doesn't miss me. And him.
The woodsman?
Yep, and his axe.
I'm pretty sure that's supposed to be me.
Yeah, dwarves. Less said about that, the better. Beauty, happier days. I haven't seen Badger around for a while.
He likes his privacy, I think.
Wish Toad would like his a bit more. Nice hat.
Ichabod Crane. Scared shitless.
What's that?
Your boss. His finest moment. Hard to understand how he ended up running this place.
Well, maybe it's time that changed.
Yeah, that's her, all right. Long time ago.
It says Bricklebit in an older elvish hand.
What's Bricklebit?
A magic word.
What's it do?
Makes animals shit gold.
This looks familiar.
Yes, from the woodsman, a druid blessing, actually.
Someone blessed that thing.
I only translate.
What's that?
It reads, Mark of the House of the Frog Prince.
Not quite who I'm looking for.
أنا مش تدوين. وجدانە
Strength. I guess it comes in all forms.
اینجا هەرگیز دەست لەمە بینەوە زان باشکەم شتێک مان بۆ دەرەچێت
Worth a try.
دیسانە Şimdi yani gözden çıkmaktan olur.
Blah blah able, blah 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 about this fable.
Of which fable do you wish to know?
Find your father.
Show me Faith's father, the old king. Guess that crosses him off the suspect list. Show me Faith.
Through powerful magic, her whereabouts concealed. Unfortunately for you, these lips are sealed.
What?
These lips are sealed. It's not my choice of phrasing, Bigby. It's simply the way this has to be.
He's a prince, I think. Show me Prince Lawrence. What's he been doing? You know where Prince Lawrence lives?
If he's a prince, probably relocated in the South Bronx. Yellow building, red window shutters.
Red frames.
Yep, that's the one. I can take us there.
Show me Faith.
Through powerful magic, her whereabouts for you, these lips are sealed.
What?
These lips are sealed. It's not my choice of phrasing, Bigby. It's simply the way this has to be.
Nobody right now.
Anything we can use?
Yeah, that'll have to do for now.
Come on, we're going over there. Sorry, I have to get that. Hello, Woodland's business office. Yes, He is. Hold on. Bigby, it's for you.
Bigby, it's me, Toad. You there? Sorry about the car.
Yeah, it's fine. Bigby, shit. Listen, right, there's a bloke upstairs going through all the woodsman's things. Get over here, Bigby, before he... wait, hang on. Oi, shit. Hurry!
What was that about?
Hard to say. Something going on over at Toad's place.
What about Faith's husband?
I don't know, I couldn't really tell. But he could be in trouble. And we should go there anyway to search her apartment. Toad might have to wait.
Whenever you're ready.
یان نەچین بۆ دۆزینەوەی پیاویان بۆ دۆزینەوەی کەلوپەلەکانی کە ناوکتە کتێبەکە پرسیاری لە مەیمونە باڵدارەکە کرد.
Did Toad say who was there? Was it the woodsman?
I don't know, it's possible. Whoever it was, it didn't seem like Toad was happy to see him.
Well, Maybe Prince Lawrence can wait.
Yeah, you didn't see him. He could use some help, too.
Well, where to first?
Bigby, listen, right? There's a bloke upstairs going through all the woodsman things.
Think he did it? What's her husband's name?
Lawrence. Prince Lawrence.
بوقەکە دەکاتەوە لەگەڵ چەقۆکە دەبێت یەکێکیان هەڵبژێرین نازانم چەند کامیان هەڵبژێرم This apartment Lawrence apartment
Toad sounds like he needs help right now. We can check in on Prince Lawrence after.
Okay. I'm not looking forward to breaking the news to him anyway.
And we ended up going out the window, and I landed on Toad's car.
You guys made a real mess.
Yeah, looks worse in the day.
Is somebody up there?
Wait here. Shit.
I'm sorry!
That's enough, all right? Just shut it!
I don't even remember half of this shit. Colin doesn't make this much of a mess.
Is that his son?
Toads? I think. Hey, Toad. You in there? Bigby! And Miss White! Surely you didn't come all this way just for my bother? Sorry, Bigby. It's embarrassing to have to admit, but I thought there was someone else in Woody's place. There wasn't, though. Not when I checked. Nothing but a leaky drain pipe. Imagination must have got the best of me. So, you know, false alarm. Sorry for dragging Miss White into this. What's going on? What do you mean? Nothing's going on, Bigby. I don't know what you mean. Truly. False alarm is all. Sorry.
Are you alright?
He's fine, Miss White. Just stung his little toe. Better swimmer than walker, just like his dad.
Wanna...
So, no need to hang around here anymore. I mean, I'm sorry you came all the way here for nothing. But it was nothing, really. Someone was here, and something's going on. And just so this trip wasn't a complete waste of time, I'm gonna look around a bit before we leave, okay? The longer you talk, the longer this takes, so just stand over there and shut up. All right. I just don't want to waste your time, is all. Have a seat. Have a cup of tea, whatever you like.
Shoot. Am I right? Hey, you know what? Flycatcher said you had a pretty awesome insect. I'd really love to see it. Is it in your room?
It has a weevil.
Cool. Cool.
Just mind the upholstery while you're looking for nothing. Yeah, sure thing.
اینجا شروع ویدیو اینجا لێرە کۆتایی بە ڤیدیۆکە دێنم هیوادارم ڤیدیۆکەتان بەدڵ بێت لایک و سەبسکرایبتان بیر نەچێت وهروەها زەنگۆکەم بکەم بۆ هەر ڤیدیۆکە بڵای دەکەینەوە ڕاستەوخۆ پێتانی بات و ئاگاداریتان بۆ بێت بۆی هەر شاد بن خواتان لەگەڵ